Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix your computer is correctly configured but DNS server not responding. First method is disable and re-enable network adapter. Second method is run multiple commands one by one. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.